Every single morning starts the same way. The loud alarm rings, and you wake up feeling like you are already behind. You brush your teeth, stare in the mirror with tired eyes, and step onto the daily routine treadmill. It feels like you are walking, but you aren't actually going anywhere. You look at the calendar, and every day is just January 1st. A cycle of starting over but never finishing. You feel stuck in a repeating road cycle where every house and every exit looks exactly the same. You are searching for something new, but all you find is more of the same predictability. Then, you watch one motivational video at 3 a.m. and suddenly you feel ready to take over the world. Your eyes light up with a new life plan. You write down big goals, consistency, maximizing potential, and unstoppable drive. You create the Monday blueprint, wake up early, crush goals, and get the win. For a moment, you feel like a champion. You see a vision of a big house, fast cars, and a perfect body. This is the infinite curiosity phase, where everything seems possible, and the discovery of a new path makes you feel alive. But then, the Wednesday slump hits. 2 days later, you ignore the alarm. You find yourself in an endless scroll on your phone. The motivation is gone, and you feel exhausted. You surrender the win and fall back into the hollow celebration of being alone. You feel numb, trapped in a party of one where you forgot how to feel happy. You are back in the repeating cycle, your brain feeling heavy and tired. You search for a new object or a new goal to save you, but you are just still in the same maze. Real change isn't about one night of motivation. It's about breaking the cycle when the lights go out and the excitement fades. Real peace comes when you stop chasing the new and start finding joy in the steps you take every single day.